Hello, friends, and welcome to our big space adventure. Today, we are going to explore something amazing, the solar system. Imagine putting on your space helmet, climbing into a rocket ship, and blasting off into the stars. Are you ready? Let's go. Our adventure begins with the brightest star in the sky, the sun. The sun is not just a ball of light. It is a gigantic, burning star made of hot gases. It is so big that more than 1 million Earths could fit inside it. Can you imagine that? Without the sun, there would be no light, no heat, and no life on Earth. The sun gives energy to plants, warms the oceans, and keeps our world alive. Every morning, when you see the sun rise, remember that it is our closest star, and it is always watching over us. Now, let's start visiting the planets that circle around the sun. These planets are like neighbors living in the same family, and together, they form our solar system. The very first planet closest to the sun is Mercury. Mercury is tiny, rocky, and super speedy. It goes around the sun in just 88 days. Imagine celebrating your birthday 4 times in one Earth year if you lived on Mercury. That's how fast time would fly there. But Mercury is also very, very hot during the day and freezing cold at night. It's not a very cozy place to live. Next comes Venus, our second stop. Venus is almost the same size as Earth, but it is covered in thick clouds that trap heat. This makes Venus the hottest planet in the solar system, even hotter than Mercury. The surface of Venus is like a giant oven, where metal would melt and the air is thick like soup. It's beautiful to look at from space because of its shiny clouds, but it's way too hot for us to visit. Now, say hello to our home planet, Earth. Earth is the only planet we know that has life. It has blue oceans, green forests, tall mountains, and all kinds of animals. Most importantly, Earth has you and me. Our planet is just the right distance from the sun, not too hot and not too cold, which makes it perfect for plants, animals, and people to live. When you look up at the sky at night, remember that Earth is just one small part of the big solar system. After Earth, we travel to Mars, the red planet. Mars gets its red color from the rusty dust that covers it. Scientists love studying Mars because it has mountains, valleys, and even signs that water may have once flowed there. Some people believe that humans might live on Mars one day. Imagine stepping onto another planet, wearing a spacesuit and exploring red deserts. Wouldn't that be amazing? Let's move farther out to the giants. First is Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter is a gas giant, which means it doesn't have a solid surface to stand on. It's made of swirling clouds and powerful storms. The most famous storm is called the Great Red Spot, and has been raging for more than 300 years. Jupiter is so huge that all the other planets could fit inside it. It even has at least 79 moons. Can you imagine having that many moons in your night sky? Next is Saturn, the planet with the beautiful rings. Saturn's rings are made of ice, rocks, and dust, and they sparkle like jewels when sunlight hits them. Saturn is also a gas giant, and like Jupiter, it has many moons. One of its moons, Titan, has lakes and rivers of liquid methane. Saturn is like a floating treasure in space, showing us how magical the universe can be. Now we arrive at Uranus, a chilly blue-green planet. Uranus is unique because it rolls around the sun on its side, almost like a ball that is tipped over. Scientists think something big may have hit Uranus long ago, knocking it sideways. This planet is cold, windy, and far away from the sun, but its strange tilt makes it very special. Finally, we reach Neptune, the last planet in our solar system. Neptune is a deep blue color and is known for its wild, stormy winds. It is the farthest planet from the sun, and it takes more than 160 years to make one trip around it. Imagine living on Neptune and waiting your whole life just to celebrate one birthday. Neptune is mysterious and far away, but reminds us that the universe is full of wonders. And just beyond Neptune, we find tiny Pluto. Some scientists call Pluto a dwarf planet because it's smaller than our moon. Even though Pluto isn't counted as one of the 8 main planets anymore, it's still a fascinating part of our solar system family. So, what have we learned on our adventure? We discovered the blazing sun, the speedy Mercury, the fiery Venus, our wonderful Earth, and the dusty red Mars. We met the giants, Jupiter with its storm, Saturn with its rings, Uranus rolling on its side, and Neptune with its fierce winds. And we didn't forget little Pluto at the edge of the solar system. Isn't space amazing? The solar system is like a big neighborhood filled with incredible worlds, each with its own secrets. And the best part? Scientists are still discovering new things every day. Who knows what else we will find as we continue to explore the universe? Thank you for joining me on this space journey. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars, dreaming big, and remembering that our universe is full of endless adventures